how to fix Gemini or Google Gemini not working. So before everything, there are a few common reasons why this could be happening, either your network or maybe a server-side issue. If it is a server-side issue, then there isn't much you can do about that. Maybe there's some maintenance going on and you won't be able to do anything about that, of course, since it's a server-side issue. But if it's your network, then you could fix that first. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data often causes Gemini to fail mid-query, so you could switch to different connections or go to your mobile data to fix that. You can also go to a different platform like YouTube and see if you're lagging from there. If you are, then maybe your internet connection is the problem. You could also try clearing your app cache as well in Gemini. Maybe there's a lot of trash files that has been piled up, so just go ahead and clear that first. So to do this, you could either just delete all chats that you don't need anymore in Gemini, and yeah, if you don't need them anymore, you can also go to your device settings over here and then search for apps. So what you're looking for here is Google Gemini, so just go ahead and scroll down for Gemini, or you could search for it directly. So Gemini over here, and then in the bottom right corner you should be able to see clear all data, and then just press on OK. You're gonna have to log back into your account, so make sure you know the details of those as well. And as you can see, all the data, including files, settings, accounts, databases, and cache, will be permanently deleted. So just go ahead and do that process and you should be able to clear your cache as well. You can also try ensuring that your Gemini is up to date. Compatibility problems can happen with an outdated software. So just go ahead to your Play Store and then search for Gemini. And if there is an update option, make sure you have updated to the latest version, since we already said the reason. If you are using browser, disable extensions or add-ons or VPNs or ad blockers as well, since some of these interfere with how web apps like Gemini load, especially those that block scripts or alter page rendering. But those are the most common reasons why your Gemini may not be working, and some fixes to those, so hopefully one of those does work. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.